Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am back again and another Bitcoin graphs and chart. So let's start. First I go to the 1 hour chart. Look, in 1 hour this graph going to down. If I see the 2 hour chart is going to down and go to the 4 hour chart, it's also going to down. If we go to the 1 day chart, look, this graph going to down, and if we go to the 1 month chart, this graph going to down. Okay, if I go to the 1 minute chart, this graph going to up, and if I go to the 30 minutes chart, it's going to down. So I think in the last 1 hour this graph going to down. 40-minute graph chart, you can see the graph going to up. Now I can share the Bitcoin currency to USD. Today's Bitcoin currency, today I see 1 Bitcoin equal to 35,016 and 0.14 USD. I hope you really like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.